Is Applovin stock a potential multibagger? Let's make a quick calculation to see if it possibly is. If they grow revenue by 20% annually for the next 5 years, they will have $8.2 billion in revenue. If they have a 43% profit margin that some analysts think they can have, they will make $3.5 billion in profit. Now let's take $3.5 billion times a 20 price to earnings multiple and get a market cap of $70.6 billion. Today they have a market cap of $28.6 billion. That is an upside potential of 148% if these assumptions come true. That will take the stock from $85 to $211. Applovin specializes in mobile advertising, app monetization, and app discovery. It provides tools and services for mobile app developers to promote, monetize, and optimize their apps. The company operates through two segments: software platform and apps. Applovin's AI-powered software platform, Axon, has attracted investor interest. The company's suite of solutions includes App Discovery, Max, Adjust, and Whirl. Do your own due diligence. Don't take this as investment advice, only for inspiration. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching.